Anyway, let's talk about oil and gas. There's a lot going on. All right, can we have that graphic? I want to show people what's happening. The U.S. SPR sales, the latest round, they've really just kicked off. Okay, on Sunday, you got the OPEC Plus meeting. Russia's expected to be there. It's possible they could either keep production targets where they are, which is down, or even cut them again as prices fall. The next day, Monday, is when the EU sanctions kick in. What people don't talk about, guys, is that there's just about as much Russian oil flowing into Europe as there was before. Now there won't be, because theoretically even the trading firms, the ones who are buying the oil and selling it to Netherlands, whatever, they won't be able to do it because they can't get insurance of the cargoes. And I put TBD on the price cap because the price cap proposal is totally separate than the sanctions. It's very easy to get it confused. I've gotten it confused, but the price target or the price cap is totally separate. And moments ago, Russia, who's at, by the way, a Chinese energy conference, which I think says a lot, out on the tape saying that no price cap is acceptable to them, or they might pull barrels off the market. It's going to get really interesting in the next few days.
How weird that the meeting's on Sunday and this decision, the price cap goes into effect on Monday the next day.
The sanctions,
The sanctions go into effect the next day. What would, I mean, wouldn't their decision have to be entirely dependent on what happens with the sanctions?
And they've said that. And I think that's what makes the timing so interesting and a little bit bizarre, because now we're getting negotiations, Joe. We're hearing every day from politicians. Poland wants to set the price cap at like $30. Say, I don't want Russia to make any money, because Poland feels very threatened, obviously, by Russia, as they probably should. Other countries, and by the way, here's the secret. The White House, according to numerous reports, people I've talked to, the White House is in favor of a price cap, but it wants the price cap high enough that Russia will keep pumping oil. It sounds a little weird, but the White House wants oil on the market. They don't want Putin to make any money on it, but they want it out there. Otherwise, what if Russia pulls 1.5 million barrels off the market, Joe? Prices go like this. The White House does not want that. And some European Union officials, according to Politico, are now saying that they're accusing us, the White House, of war profiteering off of us selling so much energy to Europe.
Where have we heard that before?
So our president is saying that U.S. oil and gas companies are war profiteering, and now the EU, some ministers, unnamed, of course, go on. By the way, if you're going to say that, put your name on it, accusing the White House of war profiteering.
This could be worse if we weren't at 75, couldn't it? I mean, think how bad this would be if we were worrying about this at 120.
China's 15 to 15.5% of global oil demand. So as their economy gets hit, let's call it, I don't know what the number of barrels is, it's hard to get the correct China data. But we do know that China is not consuming all the oil it could be. The IEA has about a 2 million barrel swing. If China goes fully reopened, let's say they say, you know what, forget it, it's not working anyway, good luck. 101.8 million a year is what we'd use around the world. We're at like 99.5 now.